Today we are going to see the strings and list. As we know, this is our fourth episode of Python beginner series. So now let's start with first slide. These are few concepts what we are going to learn. First, like Python strings, then list and slicing concept, indexing concept. At the same time, we will be seeing the codes to relate the theory and concept we are going to see. So in between, we will also seeing how these things works. And coming to first slide, here as we can see the Python strings. Like what are strings? Strings are nothing but like set of characters. As you can see here, this is the variable called name. In that we have stored one string called Python. So these are like set of character only. Python. These are like characters and combination. These are make a string. And in second example, we have message equal to hello world. This is like string only. And then multi-line string we have with triple quotation. So string can use single, double, and triple quotation, and string like order and indexed from zero. If you see here, whenever you initialize or define a string, it will be a index there. Like for first, it will start from zero. At P, it's zero, then Y, it's one, then T, it's two, then H, four, sorry, three, and at the end, for N, there will be an index. An index can be in two forms, in from front to the end, which is like zero to whatever the size of the string, and it can be from last. So from last, it start with -1. Like for n, it will be the -1, o -2, for h -3, like that. Now we are going to see our code for this. Yeah. First, we have to define the string called name equal to anything. I'm taking here Python. If I want to print this name, just print, or you can say string, just print name, sorry, and Python space our file name ep4.py. This is the command for run this program. Like here we got our in output called Python. Now we can call by index also in the same string. If I want to access third index, what will be the third index? Like p is zero index, p is on zero index, y is on first, t is on second, and h is on third. So h is the our third index value. So we have to write 3 here, third index. In between this, we can see square brackets, and like that only we will get h, our fourth index value, sorry, third index value. If I want to print for p, it's like zeroth index. If I run this code, I'll got p. If I want to take the last one, we can use the -1. Sorry, wait a minute. We can use this -1. As we know, it's like from last, it will index will be -1, -2, like this to start, and from start it's like 0, 1, 2, like this, two kind of indexing. So it will be, and if I want to print o, then -2, we can print this also. And here we can do one thing also. If we want to print this sublist, like I want th from this Python, so I can do this. First I will count which variable, which index it is. First 0 is p, y is 1, and t is 2. So I will first give 2, then can say ratio, then what I have to take this h also. So in Python, if we are printing the value from like if we are printing a sub string, so we have to take index value of those string from which location to which location we are going to print. So I am printing from t and h, this substring. For t, I have to give this 2, which is the index value of t, and h, it would be 3 index value. But Let's see what going to happen. Now let's see. It's printing T only. Why? Because if you take index value of what you want to print at the end, it will not print that value. It will print a previous value of that. If I want to print H, I have to take the index value of next, like O. What is the index value of O? It's 4. Now it will print TH. See, it's printing TH. Like that only we can do this. And if I want like PTO, like skipping one value in between, so I can do this thing. What if I skip this one first, guys? So let's see. We're getting TH1 from this T value. Means if you skip the ending, it will print the whole string after that, whatever we given at the starting. If we skip the start and we are giving end 3, which we already do, should print till T. So PYT is given, means it will by default start from 0. So we can do one thing also, that we can just add a step value. What is step value? Step value is like a skipping kind of value. If I want to skip one variable, so I have to give two, like it first, then it will skip Y, then T it will print, then H will skipped, and O will print, and N will skipped, like this. We got PTO, like P, Y skipped, T, H skipped, O, and N skipped. Like this thing is known as slicing. This concept is known as slicing, and by slicing we can take a substring from the string. So these are the concept. Now we are going to see our methods in strings. Now let's come to the slide. Here we have some methods for string, like strip, lower, upper, replace, split, in. So these are like works as a strip will remove the extra spaces from end and start. Lower and uppercase will change the whole string into upper and lower cases. And will replace, we can replace any value from the string. Split will split those words into list in code. First let's comment this. Okay. Clear things up. Now I want to take that like this name only as a string. I have given space at first, so at end and first. I can do like strip. I can print this, print name dot strip is one of the functions methods. We got Python. The space were removed. We can use here upper also. And now it will print in uppercase. We can use in lower also. It will print in lowercase. Here we are getting lowercase. So this is how the methods works, and we have various kinds of methods. Uh, these are like some basic methods you should use or you can use. So now come to the list. I want you to try these methods by yourself, one by one. If you don't able to do it, you can comment, and we will be doing in next class. Now we are going to see the F string first. We have to comment it out, and then I want to print this name for. Let's see. Print F string, this one, and then can say I'm printing the strip value of this. Here we're getting Python. But if I remove this string, F string, sorry, we will print this as it is. Yeah. Why? Because by using this F string, we can print the value in between this double quotation also. Or either if you are not using, you have to use at this position. Yeah. You can write name and then can print the value here. So this is how F string works. Now we are going towards the list in Python. So lists are nothing but the set of elements in enclosed between this square brackets. It can be multiple data types or same also, and can be mix also. So as you can see here, these are some example skills equal to Python, SQL, ML, like same data type, marks equal to, these are some numbers, and this is like integer, same data type, and here's the mix, the Rajesh, and then true and 20. These are some examples. So as we can know, or if lists are ordered and mutable, it can be changed, and list contains the data type and also follows the index values, and it can be duplicated, means you can repeat the values inside it as the element. It can be possible. Now let's see on coding. Now let's see the coding part. Let's first comment this out. Now we are going to declare one list called name, or you can say sub equal to subject equal to this bracket Python, and then Java, and then CPP. So these are some subjects I have given in this list. We are going to see how to access by index. We can print the value, or we can print the whole list only by using this print function like sub, and then run here. Python space ep4.py. Here we got our answer, which is like Python, Java, CPP. The whole list is printed. We can perform one thing also, that we can access element wise. Like I want to access the first element, which index will be 0, as we know. If I want to print that 0 element, it will be Python. Uh, the CPP index will be like 0 is Python, Java is 1, and then 2 is CPP. So I have to print the second value of index. It will be CPP. So what is CPP? So this is how we can access one by one, or we can do the slicing also by this ratio. Can say I want to print from Python to Java. So from 0 index to second index. But as we know, we have to give next index value, because it will not print the Java if we give the same index value. So we have to give 2 to print this Python and Java. Now let's see what going on in Python and Java. Same thing works as here also. If I skip this one, it will print whole list. So first, if I give a last index value like 0, 1, 2, 2 here, and not giving the first, then it will print Python and Java. The same thing. And we can do one thing. If I want to skip the Java, I can just add a step value from 0 to this, and that step value of 2. It's 1, the second will skip, then it will print this. If I want, first clean this one. Now run this code. Here we got Python and CPP, Java script. So this is like slicing and list.